Alright, welcome back once again to this one and only educative channel on YouTube, Whois IT Services. So in our previous lesson, we look at how to create a Google account, how to delete a Google account, and the best new way to make money online. So in this lesson, we are going to look at how to verify if an investment website is real or not. We'll look at how to verify whether an investment website is real or not. Many people are falling victims to some websites that are scam. They are not real. So you invest into them and you just run away with your money. So in this lesson, I'll show you one way that you can be able to verify whether a particular investment or online business website is real or not. But before we start with that, if this is your first time watching this video on this channel, then make sure you subscribe to this channel, you turn on the notification button so that whenever we upload more videos on this kind of subject, you'll be able to have access to them. So please make sure you watch this video from the beginning till it ends. All right, so I would like to give you one website that you can use to check whether an investment or online business website is real or not. Now, some time ago, some people came to me for video editing. They said I should edit a video for them on a particular investment website, which was a scam. So I promise not to reveal any secrets to anyone, but today in this lesson I'll be using their link to show you how to verify whether an investment website is real or not. But before then, let me tell you something. These online business websites and investment websites, they can never last for more than 4 months. If they last, will be 4 months. So what they normally do is that they will tell you they are already in existence for the past 10 years. They are just doing that to confuse you. They just want to confuse you so that you invest more into their platforms. So we will look at the trick here. Some time ago, somebody was trying to deceive me that there was a particular business. The person was telling me that the business has been in the system for the past 15 years. But when I use this trick that I'm coming to teach you now to check the reality of the website, or to check whether the website is real or legit, I have realized that the website came into the system just a month ago. So guys, make sure you watch this video so that I'll reveal this secret to you. Alright, so let's quickly launch our browser and go to this particular website. Let's launch our browser and go to whois.com. Whois.com. So guys, this is the spelling of the Whois. The Whois is one word, so whois.com. So this is the interface of the whois.com. So you can scroll to get more here. Alright, so let's come to this button here. Click on it. Let's check everything here. So let's go to Whois. Click on Whois. Now we need to create an account before you can have access to the portal. So let's click on sign up. Alright, so in creating an account, you need to enter your name, your company name, and that one is optional. You enter your email address, your password. The password must be between 9 to 16 characters. You enter your address, your city, your zip code, your country, state, your telephone number. Then you agree to the terms and conditions of this service, then you click on create account. I already have an account here, so that's why I don't want to do any other thing, because you need not to have a multiple account. So let me click on already have accounts. Then I'll log in with my email address and then the password. So let me log in and let's continue. Alright, so when you are done with creating the account, this is what you have. So let's paste the website link here, the website that you want to check, the website that you want to investigate, the website that you want to know whether it is real, legitimate, or good for you to invest your money into. So you paste the address here. You just have to copy the website address and paste it here. So let me paste the website address here and let's check it. So you click on the search button here. Good. So this is the interface that you see. So you see the domain name, the registrar, then we have registered on this particular date. So you see, this business was registered on the 1st of April 2023, but the owner was telling me that this business has been in the system for the past 10 years. So have you seen how they are deceiving people? And it will expire on the 1st of April 2024. So this business, they said it will expire on the 1st of April 2024, but it's never true. They have just done this thing to confuse people. So they will be in the system for some few months, then they will disappear with your money. So guys, this is one of the ways that you can use to check whether a business or an investment website is real or not. So if you want more video on this particular subject, or if you need more videos from this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button, share this video with your friends and family members, like and drop your comment in the comment section. Thank you very much. Bye bye.